What's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious fried chicken wings. Now look at this right here. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Perfectly golden buttermilk Cajun fried chicken. It's gonna be delicious, crispy, a lot of flavor. Hey, we're gonna be in the game.
Now the ingredients will be in the description box below so you can follow along to make these delicious wings. Now I'm working with a little bit over 4.5 pounds of wings, and I'm just doing a quick inspection, make sure I don't have any loose bones, and then I'm trimming off any excess fat and skin. Now if you do have any feathers, please take it off at this time. Now I do want to wash these wings because you don't know who's preparing these when they're in production, so just take that precaution and wash these off. Some people use a little bit of vinegar, some people use lime or a lemon or a combination of both, but just make sure that you do get these washed off. You can see the water was a little bit murky, so I'm just going back and I'm just doing a final rinse, making sure that these are nice and clean. Now water is, the enemy of grease. Water and grease don't mix, so I'm just patting these dry. And then I just want some crispy wings, so we just got to make sure we got a dry surface. Now we're going in with our baptizing Cajun seasoning, and we want to season this generously. And you already know, man, if you want some good fried chicken, you got to season that meat first. So I'm seasoning it until my soul says, hey, it's good to go. So once that's good to go, we're going to get a little bit of buttermilk because we got to get this baptized and marinated in that buttermilk. I said it was going to be some buttermilk fried chicken. So we got that buttermilk, and then we're going in with a little bit of hot sauce, and then we'll just get everything combined. And then we want to place this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours and let these things, that buttermilk, do its thing. Now we got to get our pot prepared. I'm going in with some peanut oil. I'm working with a gallon, and I'm gonna be honest with you, peanut oil is probably the best oil to fry chicken in. Now we're gonna go on a medium high, and I don't want to go all the way high because I want to control my temperature and not burn that chicken. And then we got to get a nice crispy crust, so we going in with 2 cups of flour, and then to make it extra crispy, we're gonna hit it with half a cup of cornstarch. Now when frying chicken, you already know you got to season that flour, so we going in with a little bit of garlic powder, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna hit it with some onion powder. And then I like my herbs with my chicken, so I got a little bit of thyme. And then you already know we got to come back and we got to hit it with that baptizing Cajun seasoning. Now once we get everything seasoned where we like it, we're going to get everything incorporated and mixed in. And then this flour is ready for this chicken that's been marinating for 4 hours. Hey, we going to be in the game. Now we're going to take our tongs, we're going to place one of these chicken wings in the seasoned flour, and then I want to coat this wing with flour before I start handling it. And it's a reason being because I don't want to handle this wing because it's wet, and then I ruin a lot of my flour and then I get it on my hands. So coat the wing with flour first, and then you can handle this wing. And then once everything is coated, just give it a firm squeeze, and then that way you can get all the crevices and the nooks and crannies and make sure that wing is completely covered. Hey, give it a little shake, and then you'll see if it has any bare spots, and then you can make any adjustments if you need to make sure that you got a good coverage on that wing. Shake it off, and then you're gonna set it on the wire rack and let that thing chill out. Now you can do multiple wings at a time, so you don't have to do one wing, but I'm gonna be honest with you, don't put a bunch of wings in there. Like I said, you'll ruin your flour, and then you won't be in the game. So once you get everything ready to go, you got that last wing, and you shake that thing off. It's looking good, and you see your wings, like I said, let them chill out. Let that flour and that buttermilk do its thing, and then you let your oil come up to temp. So we want to cook these at about 350 degrees. And then once your oil's at 350 degrees, hey fam, you ready to go to drop these wings in that pot. And then you just take your wing, drop it in that pot, but don't overcrowd it, because again, cold wings, hot grease is gonna drop that temperature. And then you don't want your wings on the bottom to burn, and then you know your wings up top, they kind of look good. So you want everything to cook evenly and look absolutely delicious when you take them out. Now look at this. I cooked these about 12 minutes. You can go 15 if you like, but they look nice, golden brown, they crispy, and you already know, fam, you in the game. And then let these wings cool off just a little bit before you devour them, and you gonna enjoy them, fam. Yes, sir.
All right, fam, there you have it. Hey, take a look at this right here, this crispy, delicious fried chicken. And you can see the texture on this. This is why I like making that buttermilk fried chicken in that batter. And then you just open it up. It's juicy. And you got to get it while it's hot. Ooh, look at that. I'm making a little mess. Had to tear off me a piece and let me get a little bite. Hey, cheers, fam. Now, you already know I got to have some hot sauce. But with the flavors that we got on this chicken right here, you really don't need it, but it'll take it to the next level. Cheers, fam. I know you hear that crunch. Absolutely delicious fried chicken. We in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out to say thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on that video, and rolling with your boy, Coach Ike. And I'm going to tell you, you try that fried chicken, hey, you're going to be in the game. Now, for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you already know what your boy, Coach Ike, is about to do. But thank you also for riding with your boy. I'm about to get back into this fried chicken, and I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, I got to finish this piece. Yes, sir. We in the game.